Hi, Jason. Guess what? I have a new apartment.
Hey, cool. Do you live downtown?
No, I don't. I live near the university now.
That's great. What's it like?
It's really nice. It has a big living room, a bedroom, a bathroom, and a kitchen.
Awesome. Does it have an elevator?
Yes, it does.
And does it have a nice view?
No, it doesn't. It has a view of another apartment building.
Hey, Sarah. I hear you have a new job.
Yes. I'm teaching math at Lincoln High School.
How do you like it?
It's difficult, but the students are terrific. How are things with you?
Not bad. Guess what? I'm a firefighter now.
Really? Wow. How do you like it?
It's a dangerous job, but it's really interesting. I love it.
Okay, but please be careful.
This apartment is great, Jane.
Thanks. I love it, but I really need some furniture.
What do you need?
Oh, lots of things. For example, there are some chairs in the kitchen, but there isn't a table.
That's true. And there's no sofa in the living room.
And there aren't any armchairs. There isn't a rug. There's only this lamp.
So let's go shopping next weekend.
What is a typical Japanese breakfast, Akira?
Well, we usually have fish, rice, and soup.
Fish for breakfast? That's interesting.
Oh, it's really good. Sometimes we have a salad, too. But we never have coffee.
Really? What do you have?
We always have green tea.
I love green tea.
Listen, my family usually has a Japanese-style breakfast on weekends. Why don't you come to my house on Sunday?
That's very nice of you. Thanks. Where does your brother work?
In a hotel.
Oh, really? My brother works in a hotel, too. He's an accountant.
How does he like it?
He hates it. He doesn't like the manager.
That's too bad. What hotel does he work for?
The Plaza.
That's funny. My brother works there, too.
Oh, that's interesting. What does he do?
Actually, he's the manager.
Do we need any lettuce for the sandwiches?
Good idea. Let's get some lettuce and some tomatoes.
Do we have any bread?
No, we need some. And we don't have any cheese.
Let's get some cheese, then. And some chicken, too.
We have some chicken at home.
Oh, all right. How about some potato salad?
Sure. I love potato salad.
Great! Let's buy some.
Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe for more.